We use the conveyor belt
the
as a slider.
belt. Oh my gosh. Be adaptable.
Do you prefer shooting or editing? Shooting, easy, done.
I knew it.
I'm gonna do what are the must-have accessories and equipment for
Ooh, that's a good question for
shooting
you.
video.
Mhm.
Yeah, because I bought a lot and I shouldn't have. I think you kind of need to take a step back, especially like when I was getting into the game of just taking video. I want to do audio, video editing, everything. But then that means a computer, that means a camera, that means a microphone. And like lately, I haven't even used my microphone since quarantine started. But I've been putting out videos just because people look for that image. So I think you kind of have to like look at what do you do more in this medium. And for me, it's camera. I need a camera. What do I need from a camera? What's my budget? And I found that you just need a camera. Just shoot something. Use your phone. Budget. Get a tripod next thing. Get a light. Once you get those three things, you're good with your camera. With your computer, I don't know, like cores? Cores are good, right? RAM.
So you're gonna need a Ryzen. 'Cause I am now telling everybody my dream rig.
Okay.
You need the Threadripper, right?
Threadripper Ryzen, yeah.
Anything you want to add, Noelle?
I guess for videography, well, I have a lot of experience with like making do with what you have because your girl's broke. You know what I mean? So honestly, what really helped me, if you're doing like vlogs or something, is honestly having like a tiny tripod, like maybe about like how long is this?
That big.
Like
Okay.
like a 6-inch tripod, like
Oh.
because yeah, or like those. Just because when I was first starting out, I had one of those just by chance. And then what really helps is when you're walking with it, instead of holding your camera, which you're going to end up being super shaky with, if you hold it at the base of the tripod and then also just support it with your other hand, it makes it look a lot better. A lot of people are like, oh, what stabilizer are you using? And I'm like, baby
hand.
tripod. And also, I'm a dancer.
I
ISOs.
balance. A gyroscope.
Yeah. A lot of the times people are like, oh, cool, like you use a stabilizer on this video. And I was like, nope. Like, so there are a lot of things like you can make things like, you know, work for what your budget is. I mean, I've used a skateboard as a slider. You know what I mean?
We've used a conveyor
Conveyor
belt
belt.
as a fucking thing.
yes!
Remember, Noelle?
Wait,
We used a
what?
conveyor belt
the
as a slider.
conveyor belt. Oh my gosh. Be adaptable. But yeah, I guess
Yeah.
must have depends on what you're shooting. If you're shooting like music videos and stuff, like I would really say you need like a mic, and like if you're not gonna, you know, you're gonna just lay the music on to the video, so that's not essential. If you're doing documentaries, you need a mic.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So like it just
Just
really
get a mic
depends
guy.
on what you want to do.
Mic guy too.
Yeah, and an entire boom op. Like
Yeah, dude, man. Like, I remember
Strongest arms in the business.
shooting this movie, and this guy was just kitted with just microphone accessories. I didn't even know what he was wearing. He was just like holding a boom pole connected to this bag, and in
it's
the
part of the
bag,
mixer. Yeah.
yeah. And I was like, God,
Yeah,
dang, I know nothing about audio.
Yeah. It hurts.
Audio hurts.